COVID is still a risk. Good thing you got your COVID. Stay 6 feet away from me. I think she wants to stay 6 feet away from the hay bales. That's the big issue. Welcome to Everything Elliott, where I give everything a try. And while you're here, don't forget to check out some of my other videos. How's it going, guys? Thanks for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Elliott, and this is Everything Elliott. Today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna hook up the rototiller to the Kubota and take it down to my father-in-law's house. He's got a couple trouble spots in his yard that just won't go grass or anything like that. So we're gonna go rototill, lay down some fertilizer, some fresh grass seed, and cover it with hay. So what I'll do is I'm gonna get the rototiller all hooked up, and then we're just gonna drive the tractor there. It's only about a mile away from my house, so it's quicker than loading everything up on the trailer and stuff. I'd be there by the time I'd be done loading it up and chaining it and driving it. All right, we got the rototiller on, so we'll make the drive. Well, I'm assuming the drive's gonna take me about 10 minutes or so. Won't be too bad, and we'll kick her into high gear and get ripping. So we'll see you guys when I'm over there. All right, we made it to my father-in-law's house. And we've got two areas that we're going to be rototilling today. We are going to till all this stuff up here. Everything you see that's kind of dead and not growing well. Till all that up there back to the fireplace where he's standing. And then we got a second patch right over here. This is the other area. He just can't get grass to grow really well in here, so we're going to till it up, fertilize it, and put new seed down. I think we'll start on this one, and then we'll... So what we're doing here is we're spreading fertilizer, and I'll till that into the dirt, give this grass the best opportunity to grow. So when you have tilling to do and you're doing it over grass, it's nice to have the grass killed or mowed so low that the green doesn't bother the tilling. If you see them walking over here, there's a lot of grass left in this area over here, and over there wasn't any grass, so that tilled up and you got a lot of nice dirt over there. Over here we got a lot of grassy clumps, but he said he wanted to keep it that way in case any of this grass wants to come back up. So once he has all the fertilizer down, what we'll do is I'm going to run over this a couple more times. Right, on to the next patch. Got to be part of the tractor gang. Brought his out, showing off a little bit. So this one's done here. Turned out nice too. We're just putting the fertilizer down now on this one. What our game plan is going to be is put the fertilizer down, I'll till it in, till the fertilizer in, and then we're going to go get a bunch of bales of hay from my friend's farm. We'll rake it out just a little bit, and then we're going to throw some seed down and then get the lawn roller out, and that'll pack the seed right into the dirt. We're just going to rake out just some of the big divots.
Yeah, don't get crazy with it. Just push it in.
Too late, you're in it.
We're in the green tractor. Really?
All right, well, we got it raked out. All the big divots and stuff like that raked out. What we're gonna do now is spread some grass seed, and then we'll roll it to compact the seed in. Girls, you're doing a great job.
Yep.
Yeah, great job.
Amber, introduce yourself to
Yeah.
people. Tell them who you are.
I can't pick this up and
Put it in there. No, you'll make a mess and spill the whole thing.
I'll do it.
with my hand.
You'll make a mess and spill the whole thing. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. No such thing as too much grass seed. What do you think, Michelle?
It looks good.
Looks good.
Did a good job. It looks real good.
All right, hop on the old John Deere LT155. Roll it out.
Okay.
I can't have all the tractor time in this video. You got to have some tractor time.
I would hope so.
So rolling it helps compact the seed into the dirt. That's why we're doing that. Get better soil contact with the seeds then. All right, we're gonna throw some hay on this and then go do the same thing on the other patch over there. All right, we got all the hay spread. And he's just rolling it out one more time just to mat down the hay so the hay doesn't just blow away. And Michelle's grabbing the rakes, right, Michelle?
Grabbing the rake.
Because we're gonna go over there and just repeat the process. COVID is still a risk. Good thing you got your COVID. Stay 6 feet away from me. I think she wants to stay 6 feet away from the hay bales. That's the big issue. day my son-in-law comes over and forces me to work.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, we got all the hay thrown out here. He's gonna roll this one down just to keep the hay from blowing away, and that's about it. Turned out pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna roll this.
And we're done, right? I think so.
Yeah.
And we'll go take a look at the other one. So there's a lot of shade here, and it's probably going to take this grass a long time to grow. Basically, half the day it gets sun, and the second half of the day it gets shade. We'll just have to see how it goes. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me use the Kubota L4701 with the rototiller, and Paul using his little LT155. Santa Claus, is that you? Santa Claus spotting. All right, guys. Well, again, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and check out some of my other videos. Maybe you'll like something.